This was the closest I have ever been to a lion dance, and I even touched the lion head for good luck. On the 28th of February, 2026, during the celebration of Chinese New Year, I had the rare opportunity to experience something truly special, a traditional lion dance performed right at my relative's house. This was the closest I had ever been to a lion dance. Standing just a few steps away, I could feel the powerful rhythm of the drums and cymbals vibrating through the air. Every movement of the lion felt alive, energetic, expressive, and full of meaning. One of the most unforgettable moments was being able to touch the lion's head. In Chinese tradition, touching the lion head is believed to bring good luck, prosperity, and blessings for the year ahead. It felt like a small but meaningful connection to a centuries-old cultural tradition. The lion dance itself is a powerful symbol in Chinese culture. It represents strength, wisdom, and fortune, and is performed to drive away negative energy while welcoming prosperity and happiness into the new year. During the performance, you'll often hear people shouting, a lively Hokkien phrase that is deeply rooted in Malaysian festive culture. Each word carries a special meaning. Hang represents prosperity and success. Ong symbolizes thriving wealth and vibrant luck. Huat means to prosper and receive fortune. And the final, adds excitement and energy to the celebration. Together, the phrase expresses a joyful wish for prosperity, luck, and wealth. Shouting during a lion dance is a boisterous, festive tradition meant to celebrate good fortune, prosperity, and the high-energy atmosphere of the performance. It is a Hokkien phrase that roughly translates to, "Life is good, things are great," or, "Very good." The cheering becomes especially loud during a famous lion dance ritual called Kai Ching, which means plucking the greens. During this moment, the lion approaches a lettuce and a red envelope, symbols of wealth and blessings. After eating the greens, the lion spits them out to scatter prosperity to the crowd, and everyone cheers loudly with to welcome the fortune. Another interesting tradition during lion dance performances is when the lion circles around a vehicle. A lion dance performed around an owner's car is a ceremonial blessing rooted in Chinese tradition. The lion carefully inspects and moves around the vehicle as part of the ritual, symbolically warding off evil spirits, removing negative energy, and offering protection. This blessing is believed to bring safety on the road, prosperity to the owner, and good fortune for the journeys ahead. The combination of powerful drums, clashing cymbals, vibrant lion movements, and enthusiastic cheers creates an atmosphere full of excitement and positive energy. Traditionally, it is also believed to chase away bad luck from the past year and invite good fortune for the year ahead. In Malaysia, shouting has become one of the most iconic festive traditions. You'll hear it during lion and dragon dances, while tossing the prosperity salad known as Yi-Sang, and even during business openings to wish for a successful year. Experiencing the lion dance this close was truly unforgettable, not just as a performance, but as a living tradition that brings people together in celebration, joy, and hope for prosperity. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe for more travel, culture, and unique experiences.